Hi guys, I wanna show you something crazy today. I didn't believe it myself, but when I do it, it was incredible. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clear the fog out of my headlights. You know that this like the dirty yellow kind of smoky looking headlights. I'm gonna show you one little trick. It will save you lots of money, and please stop wasting your money on the products cleaning your headlight and stuff. All you need is WD40 and a paper towel. That's all you need, and I'm gonna show you right now. First I want to show you how the headlight was, then I'm gonna show you after. If you come over here, look at it. This is the headlight right now. It's all foggy and it's all yellowish, and I did the other side before even start taping this. If you look over here, you are gonna see how shiny it got, and it didn't even no time. In couple of seconds I took care of it, and I'm gonna do the same thing right now, and you can see it yourself. First let me show you. Look at this again. Please get close up, and we can see all the stuff. And I'm gonna start right in this point, and I am just gonna use WD-40 and a paper towel. That's all. So I just do is spray some WD-40. That's all there is to it. And check this out. It's like a magic. I'm not sure you can see the difference or not. Let me get it from the different angle, and you can see it. Now I'm gonna do the whole entire headlight. It is crazy. I mean, nothing. I'm just using some WD-40 and piece of paper towel. Check it out. You can still see some smoke over here this end, and I'm gonna show you how this thing gets disappear. Like magic. After this, all you need to do is get a sealer. If you want to, you can just seal this with the coating, and then after that you don't need to do it. Right now I don't have the coating material with me, so that's the next thing I'm gonna purchase, and I can seal it. But beside this, I just want to tell you that it is that trick I learned. It saved me at least like 25 to 30 bucks with the headline restorer, that kind of products. And also this is very fast. I didn't even cover the car. I didn't need it to do nothing. Just a piece of paper towel and WD-40. It did the magic. I guess this is the easiest way to restore your headlights. Thanks for watching, and peace.